Next up is a whole range of products. SanDisk Creator Series is another series of products that are a Videoguys top new product of 2025. Now, the SanDisk Creator Series was created for creators. One thing that you may have noticed over the years is that sometimes it can be a little bit hard to find a portable SSD or an SD card or a USB flash drive that is fast enough for what you're doing in your workflow. And SanDisk has noticed that, and they said, okay, we're going to make this really easy. If you see these blue Creator Series portable storage devices, that means that these are made for creators. They're made and rated for 4K and even 6K workflows to plug SD cards or micro SD cards into your cameras, to have USB flash drives or phone drives to be able to record right off of your phone, or also having portable SSDs and desktop SSDs that you can edit right off of or copy storage quickly off of and onto. So SanDisk has made these super reliable creator series that are super easily recognizable to say, these are going to work in my 4K workflow. So we at Videoguys are giving the SanDisk Creator Series a Videoguys Top New Product of 2025 award.